Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make a very beautiful necklace design. I will use wool and pearls to make this necklace design. Hope you will like this necklace design, dear. Please watch the video till the end. I'm using yellow color wool, total 40 times turning the wool. Then I attached the wool with the needle. You can see how I kept turning round and round. First we will make a flower using wool to make the necklace. You can see carefully how I am making this flower design. You can use this flower in bracelet, earring or in different cases. After the whole thing is finished, you will see that it looks like a whole wheel. We added some more wool and continued to spin it round and round in the wheel. make this flower, first we took 3 pieces of 6 mm pearls Then we took two pieces. Again we took two pieces. In this process we continued to make the flower. We will use a 10 mm pearls in the middle to make the flower look more beautiful. And now our flower design is complete. We will make a necklace chain using two flowers. To make the first chain we will use 10 mm pearls, total 30 pieces. To make the second chain, we will use a total of 32 pieces 8 mm off-white pearls. Now we will make a necklace third chain, total 36 pieces, 6 mm off-white pearls. the chain on the top of the necklace. Please look carefully. First we will take 5 pieces of 6 mm off-white pearls, then add 7 pieces of 10 mm off-white pearls. With the help of a needle, I will come to the back of the chain. Then I will use it again. 5 pieces 6 mm pearls. I will add jump ring to add tassel, and in the same way we will make another chain on the other side. I hope you like this design, guys. Please like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support DiyArtiePie. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear.